сабағымызды бастамас бұрын көңілді өту үшін бір-бірімізге жақсы тілектер тілейік, иә? Кәне, бастайық.
Okay, thank you guys. All of you did a very good work. Okay, sit down.
Thank you. Заслуживаем.
Okay, do it.
Көңілдірек.
It is $20.
Қанша доллар дейді?
$20.
Жақсы, рахмет сізге. Енді маған тағы да бас киім алуым керек. Бас киімді қалай аламын? Не деп айтамыз? Болады ма?
Yes.
Рахмет. Тағы бір қайталап айтып беріңіздерші балалар.
Jeans.
Өте жақсы. Көйлек.
Dress.
Өте жақсы. Футболка.
Shoe.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
We are fine, thank you, and you.
We are going to sit down next.
The first question is, what did you see on the video?
Travel and tourism.
Okay, another news. Okay.
I see travel and shopping.
Shopping, nice of you, thanks.
As you can see, it's me and Miss Asel and you. Look at this, you. And today we are going to travel to other countries, Kazakhstan and England. Since the aims of the lesson, introduce new theme and stimulate interesting traveling and learn vocabulary to describe new sites and place. Aim of the lesson. Okay?
Okay, guys, please open your copybook. Write today's date. So, what date is it today? Who wants to say about it?
22nd of April.
Okay, thank you for the answer. West.
West.
Major. Ancient. Turkey. Hospitable. So look at the second word there. In the British form, we can say like rap, but in American English, we can also pronounce like ray. Okay? Please write this word on your dictionary. Be quick. We have less time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words which we recently talked about. You should match them with this word.
Kazakhstan group is ready. Are you ready?
Holiday on Nauruz көші.
Or the banks for the river is the city of nomads. This medieval city was built for the filling of nomads.
A city of nomads, and around the city has many mountains. It's our big bed. It's our main symbol of England. It's what built 115 years ago by Edmund Frey.
Like this, if you have finished. Okay, that's right. You are so fine. I was trying to tell you. Stop. Take one. This. Listen.
Are you going to visiting other countries? Yes.
Stick to the place where you want to go. For example, I want to go to the Paris. Or my
Правильно. Это когда, например, вы даете правильный ответ, а я вам говорю. Жаба. Так, дальше Али.
я специально проверить ваше внимание. Быстрый. А вот никто не может. Да. Медленный, правильно, медленный. Так, следующее. Старый. Молодой. Верный ключик. Первый ряд. Хорошо. Так. Полная тарелка. Вы забыли. А вот так. А вот не спрошу, кто вы правильно следуете, спрошу. Пожалуйста, какая тарелка? Пустая, громче, хорошо. Следующее. Будете кричать, сердечко не получите. Веселый. Грустный, верно, грустный получится. А теперь следует, правильно, нас ждет следующее задание. Мы продолжаем работать с вами над словами какими? Да, с противоположным значением. А как они называются еще? Антонимы. Так, мы работаем дальше.